We're still planning it. We don't have final plans yet.
Okay,
So, who's the lucky guy?
Hindi pa niya kailangan may closure yung sasabihin niya.
Oh, okay, go. Close what you're saying.
To finish this down?
No, finish it up.
Okay, to finish
I changed my mind.
I just hope next time I'll still be a part of the gathering of Tira Barca.
You know where the next time is? It's next week. Will you be here next week?
I will be here next week.
Oh, you heard that, people. You heard that. It's recorded in the video. You cannot deny it.
Anika, let's do a talk show.
Okay. Anika. Wait, it's my turn. Would you like to take it?
What? No, sis. You can do it.
Why are you hiding? Are you ashamed?
Di ba practice lang ako sa thesis ko? Defense ko. Okay lang yan.
Tama yan.
Yes, you speak English.
Yeah.
Yes, we can understand Tagalog. My turn.
Defense yan.
Ask Anika.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. Very.
Why?
Maybe because of the occasion and because of the
Okay, cut it down.
What?
Package,
Let
ganyan.
us suppose this is Riyadh. Someone in Riyadh. What will you say to him? Come on, talk to him. Come on, talk to him. Anika,
Galit ka pa sa kanya?
Anika, it's already 1 a.m.
Hindi pa, wala pang closure. Oo.
Okay.
Bakit nagagalit ka kung hindi mo siya mahal?
Happy birthday,
Sorry.
Okay, let's say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Han!
2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Lasing ang mga tao.
Oh, it's you. It's you.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Han! How old are you?
Sasagutin raw ni Tito Lito yan.
Again. Happy birthday, Tita Kat. Happy birthday, Tita
You should respond with us!
Yeah.
Burger!
You want burger machine?
Burger machine! Yeah! 24-3!
Yung.
Melona.
Go to heaven.
They want go to heaven. Then burger machine.
Just give us cash. And we will take care of ourselves.
Melona.
Why don't you give us
Yung.
500 pesos?
Yung. Yung na tone down.